You can manage your catalog through the stock or selling modules. But for the fastest way to build your inventory, let's head straight to the search bar. Inside the search bar, type item list, hit enter and click add item. This is where we define what your business offers to the world. So start with a unique item code and a clear item name. Using a consistent naming convention for your codes, it makes it easier for step taking and searching for that particular item later on when you're in need of that item. Set your standard selling rate, as this will save you time during your invoicing by pulling the price automatically. Once that is done, define your unit of measure, whether you sell by piece, a box, or an hour for the service guys. Our ERP handles the conversion for you automatically. Hit save and your first item is live, ready for trade. Your catalog is now growing and your items are now in the system. Now we need to ensure that you stay tax compliant. KRA is not joking in 2026. And in the next video we'll set up item tax template. See you in step 5. Thank you.